Meanwhile, let's now turn our attention to the state of Maharashtra. Now, the fight against coronavirus has moved from Mumbai to the Greater Mumbai region. Now, several areas of Greater Mumbai are struggling to contain the COVID cases. The Maharashtra government has a new hotspot to deal with at this point in time, which is Bhiwandi. There was 2,334 cases as of 3rd of July. And a positivity rate of 17%, which is extremely concerning because the national average of rate of positivity is at this point in time around 8%. So what is the issue as far as Bhiwandi is concerned? Let's go across to Neha Kulkarni, who's joining us for more details. Neha, what can you tell us with respect to Bhiwandi? The positivity rate is extremely high and testing is in any case low as well. So this is a big concern.
Absolutely, Avni, and as you mentioned that it's becoming a challenge now for the state authorities. There are various reasons for it. In the past 3 months of lockdown, we understand when the different corporations and authorities are trying to add to their health infrastructure, we saw very little efforts from the administration here to do anything of this sort. Even after 3 months, there is the locals here, about 8 lakh population, have access to only one government hospital as their facility, and even their quarantine center has to be shared with locals from other areas which are neighboring areas like Kalyan and Thane. Having said that, 2,334 is a big number. It's much higher than from about 170 and lesser cases witnessed in early June. And having said that, while we know that Mumbai metropolitan region is becoming a concern for the state authorities to tackle, there are about 7 corporations here which have declared a complete lockdown as a measure to curb the rising cases, and Bhiwandi is not one of them. We understand that the containment zones are under lockdown, but in the other areas which we're showing you right now as called as Daman Naka, openly people can be seen flouting social distancing norms, moving around without masks, gathering at the areas. Just as an important different thing which we showed you, the cops are present at the spot, but in fact they also started to scrutinize and check after Mirror now reached the spot here. For the past 15 to 20 minutes which we've been here, we have not seen them stopping people or asking them whether or not they're traveling for essential reasons. While the lockdown is not announced here, but even as far as strict containment, strict checking is concerned, that is required to ensure that people only step out for essential reasons, that is absolutely absent here. So this is the state as far as Bhiwandi is now, and which explains the rising figures.
All right, Neha, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.